team. The men and women in the blue uniforms standing before you are members of the elite Blue Angel maintenance crew. Chief Hector Viramontes from Pico Riviera, California. Maintenance Chiefs Jose Pulgrim from Medellin, Colombia, and Jeremy Rouse from Boring, Oregon. Crew Coordinator Tanner Bales from Meredith, New Hampshire. Crew Chief Number 1, Alex Gutierrez from San Antonio. Having secured your engines, the pilots will simultaneously exit their aircraft on the signal of Miramar. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Madison, Wisconsin, Lieutenant Commander Griffin Stengel. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Woodlawn, Tennessee, Lieutenant Commander Julius Bratton. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from San Francisco, California, Lieutenant Commander Scott Goosens. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left woman from Mounds View, Minnesota, Lieutenant Commander Amanda Lee. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Yorktown, Virginia, Lieutenant Commander Chris Kapushansky. Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Skinny Alice, New York, Commander Alex Armitage. Ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Navy and Marine Corps, the 2023 Blue Angels.
And geared up for Lieutenant Commander Thomas Zimmerman. Voice of the Blue Angels, way to go, Franz. Matt Jolly, what a day we have had.
It's been a big one, hasn't it? One big doodah, as our buddy Wayne says. Well, it's that time of day, though, where we have to tell you that there are plenty of great options to take home with you out there. Lots of great food. If you want to carry something home, pick something up on the drive. Before you head out.